In this video, I'll show you a very simple way to round the edges of an image in Photoshop. So I've made this very dramatic for the video, but you can round them as much as you want. So here's how you would do it. So you need to first add your image. So here is my image that I've downloaded and added into Photoshop. Now, there are many ways to do this, like most things in Photoshop, but the way I do it is I go to the shape tool and I click on it. And if it's not already on rectangle, you need to left click and then you need to choose rectangle. Now, if you go ahead and create a normal rectangle, it will just be a normal rectangle. But instead, you need to come up to this toolbar and here you'll see this curved kind of like icon. You can move this value up and down, and the higher the value, the bigger the curve will be. So we'll leave it on 83 for the video, and we can then hold down, left click and drag, and then we can essentially create a rectangle which is about the same size as our image. So let's just do this from eyeball. It doesn't have to be perfect. Now you've got your rectangle here. Now you could go ahead and change the color just for visual so you can see it by double clicking on the layer. And then if you click color overlay, you can see it. Now what you need to do is take your image, put it on top of the rectangle layer, then click on the move tool and just move it over the top. Now you might need to drag this and transform this so it goes over the rectangle. To do that, just click with your layer selected, your image layer, Control T on the keyboard. That will open up the transform tool and we can make some adjustments. You can also make some adjustments to the rectangle as well, but as long as your image goes over the rectangle, you're all good to go. Now make sure that your color overlay is actually turned off for this once you've got your image over the rectangle. So just click this eye checker tool. Then you can right click on your image layer. You can click create clipping mask and it will then clip this image to the curved rectangle. You've now essentially curved the edges. So that is how you need to do it.